Hey guys, this is Basit and this is my first tutorial video, and in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how can you convert these type of basic icons into these dynamic icons like Iman Gadzhi and other top creators. As you can see, these icons look way better than these look basic. So yeah, this is going to be a short tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how can you make these icons pop like this. The first thing you need to do to make these icons pop like this is to just go and add a gradient ramp on this on both of them. So I'm just going to drop it here on the first one, and then I'm going to change the settings. So first of all, I'm going to swap the colors. I want to keep the black and the blue. So yeah, the first thing I need to do is to set the colors according to my liking. I want to give it a silver look. I want to give it a look of like silver and steel. So I want to make something like that. So I will just try to adjust it. So yeah, this looks good. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it on this one, and gonna adjust it a bit. So yeah, this looks good. If we need, we can adjust it later as well. So the next thing we need to do is go here in the effects tab and just search the effect called noise, and just drag and drop this one, and just increase the value to something to your liking. I will keep this at like 25. I think that looks perfect. So yeah, and now I'm just going to copy this and paste it on the second icon, this rocket one. So yeah, this looks good. And so after adding this noise effect, I'm going to add the glow effect on this. So just go to the effect tab and type glow, and for this I'm going to use default glow in After Effects. So yeah, let's just drag and drop it on the layer. For the settings, I will keep the radius more. So most people make a mistake here, they don't increase the radius of this glow, so the glow looks overexposed. So to fix this, you need to increase the brightness, increase the radius a bit, and decrease the intensity. So now it looks really good and smooth. It does not look oversaturated. So now we need to just copy and paste the glow on the second icon. Now our icon is almost done, but we need one more effect to add on it. So the effect is called bevel. So I'm going to search it here, and so there are two type of bevels. So for this we are going to use bevel alpha. So just go and drag and drop it on your layer, increase the value of the edge thickness a bit. So yeah, this is looking really good. If you can see, if without it, it looks average, but with this bevel alpha, this looks really good. As you can see, it gives a 2D and 3D vibe. Now you don't need to change any of these settings. Set this according to your liking. So now I will just copy it and paste it on another icon and adjust it a bit. So yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, our icon is almost done. Let's see if we can match with this. So yeah, we are forgetting this one effect, which is called light sweep. So I'm going to add this on these icons. So all you need to do is search on the light sneaks, the light sweep on the effect tab, and here just drag and drop this effect on this. And now we need to adjust this setting a bit. So what are going to do, we will increase the width a bit. We don't want to show these lines because it will look weird. So yeah, we will increase the width a bit. And another thing we are going to do is increase or decrease the intensity, and we are going to move it ahead and see where it matches perfectly. I guess it looks good here, so we will just put it here and see other settings. So yeah, play with these settings and create something that you like. And this looks good, so I'm just going to copy this and paste it on another icon. So yeah, for this one we have to adjust the position a bit. So this looks really bad right now, so let me see where I can put this. So we are going to increase the width a bit and decrease the intensity and just move it. I guess it looks great here. So yeah, let's keep it there and increase. And I guess we need to play with some colors. Yep. So yeah, this looks perfect. And here we have created these dynamic icons. So these looks really good. So yeah, this was the tutorial, and I wanted to show you how can you convert basic icons to these dynamic icons. So let me know in the comment, do you like this or not? Or if you want more tutorials like this, then comment below and I will make more tutorials like this. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.